I have always been a tech guy. I would watch the live announcements from Apple and Samsung with their newest phones and devices. I have always been amazed by new technology. So that's why I believe that 5G is a new game changer. In my speech, I will be explaining why 5G is the best technology advancement and how it will change your life too. Online networks are in our daily smartphones, which commonly most people have a smartphone. We use these networks in our daily lives, such as talking to someone or using Google to search something on their phone. This ability allows us to not connect to our Wi-Fi anymore. These networks allow us to connect from far distances. Now there are higher speeds that have been created, such as the company Verizon announced their new 5G online network with top-notch speeds and defensive privacy security. Now we have a faster downloading process with 5G. To get a better understanding of 5G, we must learn what it is and how it began. Second, what are the current applications of 5G? And finally, how well will 5G will last in the future? So what exactly is 5G network and where did it start? According to the company Samsung, a cellular network is a radio network distributed over land areas and called cells, each served by at least one fixed location transceiver, known as a cell site or a base station. According to the news magazine Discover, the advent of 2G in 1991 brought cell phones, once a gadget of the rich, into popular use by switching from analog to higher efficiency digital transmission. Next, 3G facilitated on-the-go video, making the phone into an entertainment system. Then 4G, the standard since 2009, made high-speed web access feasible, the final stage in fitting the world into every pocket, until the creation of 5G, which will usher in new tech advancement, opportunities, and innovation. So what are some current applications that the 5G has in the present? This network has the most improving and new technology services rather than the previous 4G. The organization called IEE Future Network states delivering enhanced mobile broadband, ultra reliable and low latency communication, and massive machine type communication. 5G applications represents tremendous opportunities for consumers, houses, businesses, and communities. But in the future, what are the other services that potentially can be created? In October 14, 2019, a news article that was posted by Computer World stated that 5G quite literally has the potential to transform not only the internet broadband service, but it will also enable new applications and use cases from connecting smart devices in the IoT to auto vehicles, smart cities, connecting factories, and the list goes on. However, there are a few drawbacks, such as few people will have access to the 5G, and 5G does not work on all phones. In a news article called Soluno states that there are different types of 5G. They are usually divided into low band, mid band, and high band 5G. Simply put, low band 5G is slower but has radio waves that reach further. Many places that have low band 5G deliver internet that is not much faster than what 4G LTE did. But high band, on the other hand, has a higher frequency between 25 to 39 gigahertz, which provides extremely good internet speed. So that really fast 5G, which many have been waiting for, will be accessible to very few. Samsung Galaxy S20 and OnePlus 8 are examples of phones with capacity for 5G. that have received high ratings from users. But not everyone can afford to invest in a new phone. If you're sitting on an old mobile phone, you will unfortunately have to open your wallet. And if you want to be able to serve the 5G. We know what exactly 5G is and how it started. Second, what were the current applications, and finally how 5G is going to be like in the future. The creation of online networks allowed us to connect to one another, such as social media and phone calls. Also, not to wait to connect to Wi-Fi in order to search something quick on the internet. With that being said, did you survive the whole speech by scrolling through your internet?